Hello friends, welcome. Today that is on September 29, 2022. So I have taken a trade. So I have taken only a single trade and that you can notice it on the screen. So yeah, so before speaking about this stock, let's see uh, how the sector is performing. I am recording this it in live market. So market is going on. So parallelly I am recording this. See, if you see, market is continuously going down. So it is in downtrend, right? So because of which I thought of going for shorting. And so I got a chance of taking an entry in Jindal Steel. So let's see how, on what basis I have taken the trade. So here you can notice a bearish candle, right? So from here it is continuously getting rejected. And if you notice this candle, so it is a bearish candle and it got rejected with huge volumes and then followed by again a bearish candle, right? So this made me to choose this stock. And one thing I have noticed is simultaneously, so that is let me show you. If we see in 945 candle, I'm drawing high and low. Right, so all the candles are inside of this big candle, right? So this got broken and so because of which I did not exit. So before speaking about why I did not exit, let me speak about the entries and the stop loss. So my entry price was at 420 and it got executed in a 1225 candle, and stop loss I have placed at 421.50. So at the high of this candle I have placed my stop loss, that is at a high of 945 candle. So here you can see, so it came down. And the reason for not exiting is that market was in downtrend, and the second reason is, so these were the inside candles of this 945 candle. So this was the second reason for not exiting. So you can see, so it has given me 1:2 ratio and I did not book the profit. It hit my stop loss, and after hitting it is nicely coming down. See, so here you can see, here many people might have placed their stop loss and it has eaten this. So here also many people might have placed the stop loss. So here also they got trapped, and at the high we have placed, and our stop loss also got hit. So yeah friends, so that is all for today. See you in the next video.